Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is July 26th. Today I'm going to go over with you on a particular ETF stock. If you are planning or thinking about buying a airline or some type of travel stock, US Global Jets ETF, I believe, is one of the best ones to purchase. If you do look here, not a lot of people either know about this stock on Robinhood, but there are only 38,000 people purchasing this. So if you're not familiar with this ETF, basically Jets invest in both US and non-US companies involved with the airline industry, including passenger airlines, aircraft manufacturers, airports, and terminal services companies. In the US, they actually own about 80%. What they're invested in non-US companies is about 20%. If you look at their stocks, today they are down 2.21%, after hours up 0.94%. For the week, they are down 2.01%. 1 month, they're only down 0.45%. 3 month, they're up 19.78%. 1 year, they're down 49.59%. And for the 5 year, they're down 32.12%. But if you look at the 5 year, anything past 2016, they've been on the up or on a pretty good steady road here. Lows around 27s, highs staying around mid to low 30s. Like I said, being at $16.08 for being an ETF compared to other airlines, this is not a bad price to buy at. Let me just show you the top 10 stocks this ETF has. So the most percentage stock they have is Southwest Airlines, the second one at 9.67%, Delta. United Airlines are at 9.23%, American Airline Group is at 7.84%. This travel company, Cargo Jet, they're actually almost even with the pre-COVID, so they recovered pretty well. They do have JetBlue as well here, and Air Canada. So most of the top 10, which covers about 60%, actually 61% of the portfolio they have, are pretty high-end quality stocks. So if you go to, let's check the other airlines out just to kind of compare. So the highest percentage stock was Southwest. So if you look at Southwest, they're down 3.45%. But if you look at how many people hold it, 200,000 people have this stock on Robinhood, but on the price wise it's $31.70, so it's almost twice as much price wise as that ETF. If you check the week out, they're down 6.68%. For the month, they're down 1.4%. 3 month, they're up 8.93%. For the year, they're down 41.3%. And the 5 year, they're down 9.17%. They're almost about the same. 2016, they recovered well. They've definitely had higher drops, but overall, they've been pretty steady for the most part here. The next one would be Delta. So Delta is the second highest percentage stock that they have. Delta's down 3% for the day, the week 3.5%. For the month, 4.65%. 3 month, 15% up. 1 year, 58%. Their 5 years, just about the same as well. Like I said, 2016, it's been pretty steady, maybe a little bit higher ups and downs overall, but still a pretty good stock. But if you look at Delta, 580,000 people own this stock on Robinhood. The third one on the list would be United Airlines. United Airlines are at $33 now, but it's down 0.35% today. For the week, 0.92. They're actually dead even for the month. 3 month, there was up 30%. For the year, down 65%. In the 5 year, they're actually down 40%. So 2016, they had a fall off, but this 2017-18, they actually stayed pretty low but for the past 2 years they've been pretty good. But like I said, 321,000 people on Robinhood has this stock, and it's at $33. Remember, the ETF is at $16 right now. The last one I'll just look at is American Airlines. So this kind of shows you, I think, the reasoning behind people purchasing stocks. They just pick an airline that is on the cheaper side. American Airline is 1136. 656,000 people own this stock here, and like I said, with the ETF, there's only 38,000, and it's almost about the same price. It's at $16. But if you look at American Airline, which has basically the highest people own this airline, they're down 3% for the week, 4.7 for the month, 10%. 3 month, they're up 11%. 1 year down 66%. But if you look at their 5 year, it's pretty rocky. Like I said, 2016 they started to recover, but after 2018, mid 2018, they've actually been on a pretty decent decline. So if you look at here, it's $25. So they still have a good room that they can grow, but like I said, they were on its decline, and also their sale is the highest on the 45%. Says to sell, it being at $11.36. So for people to own this much stock and not to purchase on a safer side on the ETF, which has this stock on the top 4 airlines, I think it'd just be a safer bet to go with that. Also to note, they are a dividend paying stock. Currently, they did not put a date out since most of the airlines or all the airlines are not paying dividends, but this is an annual dividend. So their last dividend was December 26, 2019. So if for some reason the airlines start to skyrocket, it's still a chance, small chance, that they may actually pay dividend the end of December. The dividend is 39 cents per share was the last one that they paid. Definitely could be going down from then, but if they pay anything in dividend, it would be great. But like I said, only having 38,000 people to have the stock, I think it's more off of people who just on Robinhood don't know about this stock. So that's why I'm making this video. So guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe, hit the like. Any questions, put a comment below. I do have a link for if you sign up for Robinhood, use my link. You will get a free stock, and so will I. Thank you guys. Have a good day.